Okay, let's continue with Teacher Appreciation Week. So I picked these up at the dollar store, and I could only get my hands on two of them, you guys. So if you guys find these, please send me a couple of them. I would appreciate it. And I panicked. I'm like, oh my God, I have to give to aftercare. This is for the aftercare teachers. But then I have the principal and the Miss Ange, which helps me fill out my paperwork. So I panicked and I made my own. How cute did these come out? So I'm really excited. I made them. I mean, I think they came out super adorable. But let's fill them out. Okay, so we have, like I said, let's fill out first. The aftercare ladies. So the aftercare ladies are really one of the best people. They take care of my kids before and after school. I work a full-time job, so I depend on them like if they're their mother. They always help me out. They are always there for me. They're the best thing that ever happened to me. They're fabulous. I can always depend on them. So I cannot leave them without anything. So the first thing that I am adding onto these beautiful bags, as you can tell, they're beautiful. I decided to go simple, but yet give them something. So it's nothing major, something really easy, something that anybody could find, something simple. And I picked up these adorable ball set pens in the black ink. You guys, I picked these up after the Christmas sale. Can you believe these were an after Christmas sale for like a quarter? These are $4.99. I Googled it. So that is a steal. So I'm going to add one there and one here. So how cute is that? You guys see, it's all about what you can make out of it. It's not always about giving the most expensive gifts, and you know, you can do so much with so little, and I'm sure they're gonna love these. So we're gonna add those in there. Okay, and then one more thing, I am going to add a gift card. Now I made these adorable gift card holders. I made these, even the words. I put everything together, and then all you do is you open it like this. And I'm gonna show you really quick how I did it. I'm gonna do one for you. So let's say you're doing an Amazon gift card. You open it, you put your gift card in, and that holds the gift card, and you put it back in. And know how cool this is. You're just gonna slide it out. So let me quickly do the other one. So write your amounts on your gift cards that you're giving the teachers. This is for, like I said, like my aftercare. Just make sure you write your amounts on the front or the back of the gift card, not on the paper, and then just slide it in. So I am gonna write the kids' names on here just because I like them to remember who gave them this adorable gift. And since this is for the aftercare teachers, I'm just gonna write both of their names on the bottom right here. You know, because they help me with both kids. So right there, names on the bottom. You guys, do you guys give like the crossing ladies and all that a gift card, or do you not? I know it gets really pricey and it could add up, but you guys, even at $10 is still a good amount. Like if you really cannot, don't do it. I understand. I'm not pressuring nobody. Like if you cannot give a gift, don't ever give it. Because you need to make sure that you put food on your table first. But if you can, a little something like this is adorable. And then you're just gonna cinch it. And how cute is this? I am loving these little money holders. I'm gonna make, definitely when I have a day off from work, I'm just gonna sit down and make a ton of them. So this is the first one. So now I have the principal, and then Miss Ange. Miss Ange is the one that always helps me with the dumbest questions. I always call her. Like, Miss Ange, is there school today? Miss Ange, do they come out early? Miss Ange, I need help with this paperwork. I need help with their doctor's notes. I need to bring them out. I need help. Antonio doesn't feel good. Can you please help me? I can't go in today. Blah, blah, blah. Miss Ange is always like, yes, Susana. Yes, Susana. I'm here for you. So what I got her, because she drives this nice car, and for the principal, I got him the air fresheners, and I really wanted to get it in the red, but I couldn't find it. And I picked these up from the dollar store, so I'm just gonna add them in here. I thought that was really cute. I also made them in the blue, since I had the air fresheners in the blue. How cute are these? Come on, you guys. These are so cute and easy to make. I have a video on my Instagram if you want to check it out. And let's go ahead and write the kids' names on there, because I want to make sure that they know that this is the kids that are appreciating them. My kids are the sweetest little boys. If they like you, they'll remember you and they'll be like, oh, Mom, whatever happened to like Chrissy, or how's Chrissy? Like, they'll ask me, you know, and they'll be like, oh, Mom, can we get something for Miss Cece? And I'm like, of course we can. So yeah, it all depends, you know. Okay. So let's keep going. I am going to give them a Starbucks gift card. I will not need the holder. So you guys, look how cute these cards are. Aren't these like perfect for like teacher appreciation week? Sorry. Oh, I gotta make sure I write the amount. Always write the amount on the front or the back of your card. Since these are so adorable, I'm just gonna write it on the back. I'm gonna show you how you put them in as well, even though I kind of did already. Okay, so we're gonna bring it out. Now we're gonna do is place it on there. It has a little opening as well as this one, and then all you do is place it in, and then you just slide it in. And then you do the same thing for the other one. I got really lucky with these gift cards. They were the last ones they had for the teachers, and I was so excited. And then we're gonna place this in here. And then we're gonna place this one in here. And then for these two, I made, I'm gonna show you really quick. I made bookmarks. How cute are those? Now, I could have made them in the red, but I thought the blue was really cool. So this is, which my friend Chrissy, thank you, helped me with these. And I am loving how to do them now. So I'm definitely going to do them like she told me. So how cool is this? So then I just put in the principal's one on there. And then I close it up. And then Miss Ange, like I said, bendito, she helps me with everything. And then I put here hers. So there you go, you guys. I have the last of the teacher appreciation gifts, because you know this is it. They're almost out of school. I end up giving them something adorable. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys make your own. Let me know if you guys are gonna make your own, what you're adding in yours. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. Teachers, we love you. We can't do it without you. We need you. So here is a gift card for some coffee. Keep up the good work. And until next year, bye, you guys.